For today's activity, you're going to receive a sentence sheet. There are 10 sentences on the sheet and each one contains a homophone. You're going to read each sentence and with a partner or in a group, you're going to figure out which word is a homophone. Once you find the homophone, you're then going to highlight it. For example, on the first one, it says the foul odor in the refrigerator was caused by the rotten food. You're going to discuss which word you think has multiple meanings. The word foul in this first sentence should be highlighted. Once you highlight that word and figure out it is a homophone, you're then going to go to the back and write a sentence using the homophone for the other word. The word foul in this sentence means a strong odor or taste. The homophone for foul refers to a bird. A sentence that includes that would be, the farmer fed the fowl before milking the cows. Once you find a sentence with that other homophone, you're going to highlight it also.